Unanimously, you've got positive reviews for your film Damadam, that is your debut film.
Right.
How does it feel?
I feel truly very blessed, and I'm very humbled. I'm ecstatic, and now I'm known as a no touching, no kissing girl. And it's funny, everywhere I go now, there's strangers coming up and saying, no touching, no kissing. I'm like, yeah, you got that right. No touching, no kissing.
Not touching, only sing, only sing.
Did you guys have any apprehensions कि after Kajare कि यार पता नहीं ये भी release होगी कि नहीं होगी?
थोड़ा apprehension तो obviously होता है, थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि क्या होगा, पता नहीं ये वो, लेकिन things which are not in my hands and I can't do anything about. I just hope and pray that it works.
कभी आर गया, कभी पार गया, कभी आर गया, कभी पार गया.
अमिताभ बच्चन, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान, सलमान खान हो गया उसके बाद.
I think Shahid Kapoor is a very fine actor. He's a good actor. I really like him. अगर मेरी personal favorite की बात है तो मुझे श्रीदेवी जी बहुत पसंद है. I'm a huge fan of Kajol also and Kareena Kapoor. I think she's a fantastic actor.
क्या तुम कब आ रही हो? जल्दी आओ ना.
परसों आ रही हूँ मैं.
Hi, this is Purvi Joshi and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
Well, she has just made the nagging girlfriend extremely lovable. Yes, we're talking about Purvi Joshi, and yes, no touching, only seeing. A pleasure having you on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you so much for having me.
Not touching, only sing, only sing.
Unanimously, you've got positive reviews for your film Damadam, that is your debut film.
Right.
How does it feel?
Well, I'm ecstatic, obviously. It's my first ever film, and to be praised like that by big people, by critics and also by audience, I feel truly very blessed, and I'm very humbled.
कहाँ गए थे? कहाँ जा रहे हो? तुम फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहे थे?
Have you seen the film with the audience?
Yes, I did. मैं बहुत excited थी. I went for my first show, which was being playing at Cinemax, and I went and I saw it with normal people, and I was very scared and I was very apprehensive, but it went very well, and everyone enjoyed. They were laughing, they were clapping at places, they're loving the song, and then when it got over, I got a little bit.
मेरे बगैर कैसे रह पाओ?
मेरे लिए तो एक दिन, इनफैक्ट एक मिनट कैसे गुजरेगा तुम्हें पता भी नहीं.
ठीक है तो मैं नहीं जाती.
अरे नहीं, पागल हो गई हो?
Do you have these apprehensions that maybe I believe you are single right now, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, that maybe men, if they have to approach you and maybe they may be having certain apprehensions.
That they'll be so scared.
Yeah,
that
SMS,
I may be
SMS and
really
SMS
nagging like that.
Yeah.
No,
because it was like to another level altogether.
Yeah, it was, but it's not that women like that don't exist. I'm sure
they do.
You and a lot of people here would agree that they do. Yeah. And I'd like to just clarify, I'm not that nagging, but if they're scared of me, then good. I'm fine with that. Let them be scared.
But don't you think that that's a bit of a disadvantage?
No, not at all. I mean, of course, that's my screen persona, and that's the character I was playing. So anyone who's sane enough would understand that ये अलग है और ये real reality अलग है.
तेरे जिस्म की खुशबू में, आँखों की मधुशाला में, कभी यार गया, कभी पार गया.
One more thing which I think has been associated with you now, and you do a lot of shows and all as well, is this song, No Touching, No
Yeah, I'm ecstatic, and now I'm known as a no touching, no kissing girl, and it's funny, everywhere I go now, there's strangers coming up and saying, no touching, no kissing. I'm like, yeah, you got that right. No touching, no kissing. Absolutely. Yeah, feels great, and the fact that I've also sung it along, not sung it, I mean rendered lines along with Mr. Himesh Reshammiya. I thought that was like a big deal for me as well, because on the CD it's Himesh Reshammiya and Purvi Joshi, and I'm like, hey.
Not touching, only sing, only sing.
Himesh has a huge advantage of music, because that is something which comes naturally to him, and all his music it always does well. Same with Damadam, the music has done extremely well.
Fantastic.
And a song like this, I think the way it has just reached to the masses has been phenomenal.
Yeah, it has. I mean, it created quite. I mean, I knew when we heard the song, we were like, oh my God, this is going to be a short hit, and then obviously we picturized it. And when it came out, but the rage it created, especially kids loving it so much, and even adults obviously loving it so much. And I just feel that suddenly now I have become the no touching, no kissing girl, and I had no clue it's going to be this huge a hit, and I just feel great that it has, and people are loving it and enjoying it so much.
You know, in fact, that that expression of yours when you're saying that, which is very funny, and I think the humor element comes naturally to you, considering she has done a lot of the Great Indian Laughter Challenge, impersonating a lot of
Great Indian Comedy Show and Comedy Circus and all that. Yeah.
So and that is something that many people underestimate the amount of acting that can happen on these shows, but I think some of the talent is fantastic over there.
Absolutely. I mean, especially comedy, the genre of comedy itself is a very, very difficult genre, and for people to, and for anyone to make you laugh and to, you know, I think that's a very difficult job. So whenever I look at someone who performed this well and they make me laugh, I'm like, wow, these people are talented. And I just feel fortunate that when I started off, I got to work with, you know, phenomenally talented people like Mr. Vinay Pathak, Ranveer Shori, and there was Suresh Menon, Kiku, Gaurav Gera, these guys who are so blessed and so fantastically talented, and I learnt a lot from them.
Excuse me, what is this? ये क्या है? अब श्रुति नहीं है तो आप मेरे पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं? हाँ?
जहाँ घास होगा वहाँ बकरा आएगा।
देखिए आप चाहते क्या है? What do you want?
शादी।
हाँ?
बहुत जोर की निकली हुई है।
शादी? देखिए मैं अभी बहुत छोटी हूँ, मैं 2-3 साल शादी के बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकती।
छोटी हैं? शादी अभी कर लें, कब्जा 3 साल बाद दे दीजिएगा।
I started off my career doing comedy, which actually is a very unusual thing. Normally, girls on television don't do that. You know, हमेशा the most safest thing is कि आप daily soap में करो and बहू बन जाओ किसी की और you know something like that, and then सास बहू drama and all.
But you've done that as well, I believe.
I didn't actually.
मेहंदी की what is that series?
मैं जब हमने मेहंदी तेरे नाम की थी.
मेहंदी तेरे नाम की, yeah.
That was Arunaji Singh, और लेकिन वो बिल्कुल सास बहू वाला था नहीं. In fact, that was a weekly. You know, जो हम 4 बहनों की कहानी थी, and it was very, in fact, मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत ही मॉडर्न लड़की का था जो वर्क्स इन एन एड एजेंसी एंड ऑल दैट, और उसमें भी थोड़ा फनी रंग था.
बिल्कुल. In fact, I think what is notable about Damadam in a way is that it's not merely comedy that she's doing. The way she interacts with Himesh and the way she just nags Himesh, there's an element of comedy, but there's an emotional element to the film as well. And at the same time, maybe television has not really showed us, but when you see her in the film, there are moments that when she's looking very beautiful, especially when you're in your hometown.
Shocking, isn't it?
When you're in your hometown and you're talking on the phone and all.
Right.
आपके बाल खुले हुए हैं.
हाँ जी, वो थोड़ा फिल्मी टच, फिल्मी टच डाल दिया था. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. It was funny. जब हम शिखा के कैरेक्टर पे बहुत काम किया हमने. शिखा कोई एक नॉर्मल लड़की है, लेकिन उसकी एक आइडेंटिटी है, एक बहुत ही इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल है. तो उसको लेके हमने जब फिल्म की शुरुआत की थी तो पहले हमने 1.5 महीने वर्कशॉप की है. मैंने, हिमेश ने, सोनल ने, मेरे डायरेक्टर स्वप्ना जी ने, हमने इट वाज लाइक प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ थिएटर प्ले. तो हर एक कैरेक्टर पे बहुत काम किया गया. एंड फिर शिखा वी न्यू दैट दिस द लुक शी विल हैव एंड दैट्स हाउ हर हेयर इज गोइंग टू बी, दैट्स हाउ हर मेकअप इज गोइंग टू बी, एंड यू नो शी इज अ कॉमन गर्ल but yet there is some very individual style to her. So I would obviously like to give credit to my director also for working on that. But so yeah, I guess that whole filmy look worked, and lot of people ask me, अरे आपके बाल तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. ऐसे अच्छा आप नोटिस कर रहे हो, टीवी पे नहीं देखा. So but that's okay.
तेरी मधुर मुस्कान से मन डोले रे तन डोले.
After Kajrare, there were lot of I think apprehensions about Himesh's career as an actor. The film did not get a wide theatre release, and even Damadam was earlier called Ishq Unplugged, and it was in making for some time, like whatever. So did you guys have any apprehensions कि after Kajrare कि यार पता नहीं ये भी release होगी कि नहीं होगी?
Well, as far as that was concerned, I don't know. I always felt that Damadam was a special product and it would be treated specially. And I'm very happy कि we waited the time we waited और इस तरह release हुई इतनी अच्छी तरह से, and music इतनी तरह से अच्छी तरह से बाहर आया. So I guess थोड़ा apprehension तो obviously होता है. थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि क्या होगा, पता नहीं ये वो, लेकिन फिर ये चीज़ अपने कंट्रोल में नहीं है. It's not in my hands. So I always thought that, you know, things which are not in my hands and I can't do anything about. I just hope and pray that it works, and
Fantastic.
It did.
बिल्कुल.
जान तुम कब आ रही हो? जल्दी आओ ना.
परसों आ रही हूँ मैं.
रावण आपके साथ में रिलीज हुई है, and obviously it has eaten up almost everything that has come in its way, and box office response of Damadam जितना expected था, तो obviously उससे मेरे ख्याल से ठीक ठाक response है, लेकिन obviously box office के level पे उतना successful film नहीं है. लेकिन ऐसी फिल्में टेलीविजन पे काफ़ी पसंद की जाती हैं.
जिस तरह की फिल्म थी, हमने पहले ही हमें पता था कि ये कोई बहुत बड़ी हम मैग्नम ओपस नहीं बना रहे हैं. फ्रॉम वॉट एवर आई अंडरस्टैंड, जिस तरह रिलीज हुई है, और जो मैं ज़्यादा इकोनॉमिक्स में नहीं जाऊँगी क्योंकि वो मेरा एरिया नहीं है, लेकिन जो मैंने सुना बना है और जो समझ में मुझे आया है, आई थिंक वी डन प्रीटी वेल एंड कलेक्शंस काफ़ी डिसेंट रहे हैं, अच्छे रहे हैं ऑन लॉट ऑफ अदर प्लेसेस, नॉट जस्ट बॉम्बे बट इट्स रिलीज ऑल ओवर इंडिया, इट्स रिसीव वेरी वेल। दमादम को हमने हमेशा उस तरह देखा था, बहुत प्यार से फिल्म बनाई थी और हमेशा उस तरह देखा था। तो ऑफकोर्स जब रावण जितनी बड़ी फिल्म है, देयर वाज नो कंपैरिजन, हमें कभी ये भी नहीं सोचा कि यू नो।
देखिए मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि ऑब्वियसली बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेस उसका उतना ह्यूज नहीं है, उसका बजट भी बहुत लिमिटेड था, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है। माय क्वेश्चन टू यू इज दैट सच फिल्म्स, सच फैमिली ओरिएंटेड फिल्म्स, they tend to do well on satellite, and these days satellite has become a very crucial market.
Absolutely.
So are you looking forward to it that once it comes on television and because that becomes a huge audience?
Well, absolutely no. Of course, I'm very happy that Damadam has been received the way it has been and I've got so much appreciation. लेकिन जैसा कि आपने कहा, टीवी एक बहुत ही बड़ा माध्यम है और जब टीवी पे फिल्में आती हैं तो एक आपका वाइडर ऑडियंस होता है, तो जो लोग ने नहीं देखी वो भी देख लेते हैं एंड यू नो, सो यस आई एम प्रीटी एक्साइटेड कि जब वो आए तो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट एज वेल।
Tell me something about your likes in cinema. What are the kind of filmmakers that you've liked, the actors, actresses? Because आपने impersonate बहुत किया, हेमा मालिनी को, ऐश्वर्या राय को।
वो मुझे हाँ वो that was part of my job then as a comedian, जब हम written and comedy show करते थे, तो वो of course I have immense regards and immense respect for all these amazingly huge talented names, but अगर मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट की बात है तो मुझे श्रीदेवी जी बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है उनका कॉमिक टाइमिंग जो है वो फिनोमिनल, इनक्रेडिबल है।
जानी ये चाकू है, क्या है? चाकू। हाँ, लग जाए तो खून निकल आता है।
I'm a huge fan of Kajol also and Kareena Kapoor. I think she is a fantastic actor. उनको जब मैंने जब भी मेट में देखा तो मैं और प्यार में पड़ गई उनके कि यार कमाल की अदाकारा हैं वो। So I love her. As far as actors are concerned, I don't know whom to say because there are so many talented actors around. So from the younger lot, I like everyone. I don't think so I can pick one.
Honestly बताइए ना, दिल से बताइए ना कुछ।
I mean, of course, you will have the legends like Mr. Amitabh Bachchan that you can't go wrong with.
अमिताभ बच्चन, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान, सलमान खान हो गया, उसके बाद
अच्छा हाँ वो सब हो गए। अब I think Shahid Kapoor is a very fine actor. He's a good actor. I really like him. I like Ajay Devgn ji also. He's so good with whatever he does. वो इतने conviction के साथ करते हैं और उनका एक persona इतना strong है कि वो जो certain roles just suit him so well. So I really think he's brilliant as well.
जिसमें है दम तो वक्त बाजीराव सिंघम।
Many filmmakers who may have heard about you, may have seen your work on television, may have seen Damadam as well. If you have to just tell to the industry, what are the sort of roles that you personally feel that you can be fitting into? If you can take the names of examples as well. जैसे आपने जब भी मेरे एग्जांपल दिया,
जी हाँ, नहीं मुझे लगता है
रोल करना चाहेंगे।
मैं ऑनेस्टली मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं अगर अपने आप को ही ब्रैकेट कर दूँ किसी एक जॉनर में या एक इसमें तो गलत होगा। मैं एक एक्टर हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेकर्स जब दमादम देख पाए, दे हैव सीन इट और या मेरा काम देखें तो मुझे एटलीस्ट एक मौका दे अपना पोटेंशियल प्रूव करने का। आई थिंक आई एम एन एक्टर एंड आई शुड बी पुट इनटू अ ब्रैकेट दैट ये तो सिर्फ कॉमेडी करती है या ये तो सिर्फ सीरियस कर सकती है। आई एम एन एक्टर एंड आई वांट टू परफॉर्म एवरीथिंग दैट इज गुड।
आप बहुत ही डिप्लोमेटिक से आंसर्स दे रही हैं। मैं आपसे एक सवाल स्पेसिफिक से पूछना चाह रहा हूँ। यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट you are an actor as a person, whatever you may be having certain image of yours in your mind that this is how I see
मुझे लगता है कॉमेडी तो मेरी हमेशा
कॉमेडी के अलावा अगर आप स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल्स बताएं, जैसे आपने जब भी मेट का एग्जांपल
दिया, वो ऐसा कोई मैं रोल करना चाहूंगी जिसमें लोगों को देखे अरे पहले कभी नहीं देखा।
श्रीदेवी का कोई
I thought she was fantastic in Chalbaz. I would love to do something like that in Chalbaz.
And you can do something like that.
I would love to do something like that in Chalbaz. I would also love to do something completely serious what Rani Mukherjee did in Black. I mean that is a kind of variation. एक एक्टर को हमेशा वो चाहता है कि मुझे ये भी मिले, मुझे ये भी मिले, क्यों नहीं। I feel मैं एक्टर हूँ, मुझे अगर वो भी ऐसा मौका मिल जाए या कोई मेकर मुझे इतना ट्रस्ट कर सके कि I would love that would be an amazing challenge for me, of course, and I would hope that I would do a good job with that.
Fantastic. In fact, Purvi has done a course in acting this year from USA. Yeah. What exactly was that course all about?
That was in LA. It was called the Margie Haber Acting Studio. I just thought कि हम यहाँ पे एक comfort zone में आ जाते हैं, ज़रा एक आप relax हो जाते हो as an actor, and I thought that थोड़ा अगर अपने आप को challenge करें तो मज़ा आएगा, थोड़ा सीखने मिलेगा. So I went into a completely different place, a completely different environment. वहाँ पे कोई आप तो पूर्वी जोशी हैं, आपने ये किया है वो किया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. I was a ranked newcomer like everyone else. I was a student there. In fact, I was the only Indian girl in the class, and I was a little conscious initially क्योंकि मुझे लगा ये लोग शायद मेरी accent पे हंसे थोड़ा, या उनको कुछ they would find me little different than them, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. बहुत मज़ा आया. I had a fabulous teacher, Eden Bernardi. She's a great coach. काफ़ी coach किया उन्होंने मुझे personal level पर भी, and so it was great. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सीखने भी मिला.
Finally, have you signed any more films? Are you in talks?
No,
Damadam
has just come out, and I'm hoping that मेरा काम देख के मुझे कुछ अच्छा interesting आए मेरे तरफ, तो I would be absolutely.
But will you approach filmmakers directly?
Absolutely, yeah. Why not? I'm an actor, and that's my job. काम मांगने में तो कोई गलत नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा कहीं लगा कि there are people looking for a certain kind of, I don't know.
What are the sort of filmmakers that you like to approach?
Wow, there are so many varied ones. Like I said, cinema एक ऐसी phenomenal चीज़ है जहाँ पे इतने सारे रंग हैं. You have someone like Mr. Imtiaz Ali, who's doing the kind of cinema he is. You have Mr. Anurag Basu. You have like so many makers जो इतने अलग-अलग zone में है. Vikram Bhatt does the most fantastic horror films ever. So I mean, there is so much happening. So any maker who's, like I said, is looking, and I feel कि शायद मुझे को मैं इन्हें सूट कर सकूँ या तो मैं justice कर सकूँ, तो मैं ज़रूर approach करूँगी और कहूँगी sir please audition ले लीजिए.
Alright, that was Purvi Joshi talking about the favorable reviews that she's got for Damadam. She also spoke about the kind of filmmakers that she likes and would like to work with, the kind of actors and actresses that she has liked over the years. She has taken a course in acting from USA recently, and she may look all funny and humorous and chilled out, but she is just very raring to go. She would want to do much more in terms of cinema. I'm sure about that.
Definitely,
and
absolutely.
she's just going for that. And whatever we've seen of her on big screen, she looks very promising. I think it was a very fine performance, considering that it's your first film.
Thank you.
And a very uninhibited kind of performance. And you look pretty on screen as well.
Thank you.
That's
a plus. Yay. Thank you so
much. All the best wishes for all your future ventures. And we hope that you work with some of the finest filmmakers that you've named once again.
I would love to. Thank you
and
so much.
more variety as well. As you said that you like more colors.
Everything हंसाना है, रुलाना है, लोगों को shock करना है. So everything in my kitty.
And horror as well, if possible.
Absolutely, why not?
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.